Hey there. Welcome back to Men's Health Doctor YouTube channel. If you're over 50, I want you to stay with me for the next few minutes because what I'm about to share with you could genuinely change how you think about aging and your health. We all know that getting older brings challenges, but what if I told you that one specific food has the power to support your DNA, enhance cellular repair, and help you feel more energetic and vibrant? This isn't about chasing some miracle cure. This is about understanding what your body truly needs at this stage of life and giving it the right fuel to thrive. So let's dive in. Before we go any further, I want to ask you something. When you think about aging well, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Is it staying active, keeping your mind sharp, or maybe just feeling good in your own skin? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear what matters most to you. And I promise, your input helps me create content that truly serves you. Now, let's talk about what's really happening inside your body as you age. Every single day, your cells are working incredibly hard. They're repairing damage, fighting off oxidative stress, and doing their best to keep you healthy. But here's the truth. As we get older, this process slows down. Your DNA, the blueprint of your entire body, starts to show signs of wear and tear. Cellular repair becomes less efficient, and this is when you might start to notice things like lower energy levels, slower recovery from illness, or even just feeling like you're not bouncing back the way you used to. But the good news is, you're not powerless. In fact, you have more control than you might think. The food I'm talking about today is something you've probably heard of, but maybe you haven't realized just how powerful it is, especially after 50. I'm talking about fatty fish, particularly salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. These fish are absolutely packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and these fatty acids are like premium fuel for your cells. Let me explain why this matters so much. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, play a crucial role in protecting your DNA. You see, at the ends of your chromosomes, there are these protective caps called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces that prevent them from fraying. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get a little shorter, and when they get too short, your cells can't function properly anymore. This is a natural part of aging, but here's where it gets interesting. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can actually help slow down the shortening of telomeres. That means your cells stay healthier for longer, and your body has a better chance at repairing itself effectively. But it doesn't stop there. Omega-3s are also incredibly powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of healthy aging. It's been linked to everything from heart disease and diabetes to cognitive decline and joint pain. When you eat fatty fish regularly, you're actively reducing inflammation throughout your body. You're giving your immune system the support it needs to function optimally. And you're creating an internal environment where your cells can repair and regenerate more efficiently. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't really like fish. Or maybe you're worried about mercury or other contaminants. And those are valid concerns. But let me put your mind at ease. Smaller fatty fish like sardines and anchovies are incredibly low in mercury because they're lower on the food chain. They're also sustainable and affordable. If you really can't stand the taste of fish, you can consider a high-quality fish oil supplement. But I always encourage getting your nutrients from whole foods whenever possible, because you get additional benefits like protein, vitamin D, selenium, and B vitamins that work synergistically with the omega-3s. Let's talk about how this plays out in real life. Imagine you're waking up in the morning, and instead of feeling stiff and sluggish, you actually have energy. Your joints feel better. Your mind feels clearer. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. That's what supporting your cellular health can do for you. And it's not about perfection. It's about consistency. If you can eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week, you're doing something truly powerful for your body. I also want to touch on something that's often overlooked, and that's brain health. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and a large portion of that is DHA, one of the omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish. As we age, cognitive decline becomes a real concern for many people. But studies have shown that people who consume omega-3s regularly have better memory, improved focus, and a lower risk of developing dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Your brain needs these fats to build and repair neurons, to communicate effectively between cells, and to protect itself from oxidative damage. So when you eat that piece of salmon, you're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your brain too. And let's not forget about your heart. Heart disease is still the leading cause of death worldwide, and after 50, your risk increases. But here's the empowering part. Omega-3s have been proven to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, decrease the risk of abnormal heart rhythms, and even slow the buildup of plaque in your arteries. This isn't just theory. This is backed by decades of solid research. When you support your heart, you're supporting your entire body, because your heart is the engine that keeps everything running. So how do you start? It's simpler than you think. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Start by adding 1 serving of fatty fish to your weekly routine. Maybe it's grilled salmon on a Tuesday night, or sardines on toast for lunch. Experiment with flavors and preparations until you find something you genuinely enjoy. Season it with lemon, garlic, herbs, olive oil. Make it delicious. Food should be a pleasure, not a chore. And when you start to feel the difference, when you notice your energy improving, your mood lifting, your body feeling stronger, that's when it becomes easy to stick with it. I also want to remind you that this isn't about being perfect. Life happens. There will be days when you don't eat as well as you'd like, and that's okay. What matters is the overall pattern of your choices. What matters is that you're showing up for yourself, day after day, making small decisions that add up to big results over time. Your body is incredibly resilient. Even if you haven't been taking care of it the way you wish you had, it's never too late to start. Your cells are listening. Your DNA is responding. Every healthy choice you make is a step toward a stronger, healthier, more vibrant you. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. Aging is inevitable, but how you age is largely up to you. You have the power to support your body at the cellular level. You have the ability to protect your DNA, enhance repair processes, reduce inflammation, and give yourself the best possible chance at a long, healthy, fulfilling life. And it starts with something as simple as the food on your plate. So go ahead, pick up some fatty fish this week. Try a new recipe. Invest in yourself. Because you deserve to feel your best, no matter what your age. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content designed to help you live your healthiest life. And remember, drop a comment below and let me know what aspect of healthy aging matters most to you. I read every single comment, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.